Confraria of Rosário is a religious brotherhood founded on 160 years ago here in Floresta, Pernambuco. According to historical records, the slaves of Fazenda Grande, descendants of nobles from the Congo, had only on holiday a year, the 31 of December, which they used to crown a king and queen. The idea of the celebration was to show the population that they also had noble blood. The date of first celebration held by confraternity is not for sure, but records show that since on 1792, black kings and queens had chosen representatives of religious slaves.